गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा। बेटा टुडेज माय टॉपिक इज चैप्टर नंबर 7 आवर फीदर्ड फ्रेंड्स। सो बेटा आज हम लोग इसकी रीडिंग करेंगे। ये हमारा न्यू चैप्टर है। सो बेटा सभी बच्चे अपनी बुक को ओपन करो, पेज नंबर 63। ओके ओके बेटा, चैप्टर नंबर 7 आवर फीदर्ड फ्रेंड्स। ओके बेटा, नाउ वी स्टार्ट लेसन नंबर 7। फर्स्ट है बेटा हमारे पास द ग्रीन बेल्ट। ओके, द ग्रीन बेल्ट। इन द लिविंग वर्ल्ड, birds are the largest and the fastest of the flying animals. They are the only animals that have feathers. Okay, in the living world, see this picture beta, in the living world birds are the largest and the fastest of the flying animals. They are the only animals that have feathers. Okay, next है बेटा हमारे पास some common birds around us are sparrows and crows. Some common birds, see this picture beta, some common birds around us are sparrows and crows. Some birds like ostriches, kiwis and emos are very big. So next है बेटा हमारे पास some common birds around us, albatross and penguin live in extreme weather conditions. Some birds like albatross and penguins live in extreme weather conditions. Birds live in almost all type of habitat, ranging from desert to oceans. Okay, their eyesight is very good and helps them to find food. Their eyesight is very good and it helps them to find food. So next है बेटा हमारे पास features of birds. Features of birds. Birds have a lightweight body. Birds have a lightweight body. See this picture beta. Birds have a lightweight body as their bones are hollow. For limbs of birds are modified into wings that help them to fly. They have streamlined bodies to cut through their air easily. They perch onto the branches of trees with the help of their feet and claws. Next is the bird's body is covered with feathers. The bird's body is covered with feathers. They help the bird to fly and also keeps it warm and dry. Keeps it warm and dry. Okay, the tail of a bird. See this picture beta. The tail of a bird is made of feathers that help us to change the direction during its flight. The feathers are of different types. बेटा जो टेल होती है ना वो डायरेक्शन चेंज करने में हेल्प करती है बर्ड्स की. ओके, सो हमारे पास नेक्स्ट है डाउन फिगर्स. ओके, down figures are short and fluffy. They form an insulating layer next to the bird's skin. They trap air and do not allow body heat to escape. Next है body feathers. Body feathers give shape and color to birds. Only the tips of these feathers and colored and give a smooth shape to the bird's body. It also acts as a protective layer. It is a protective layer. So next है बेटा flight feathers. Flight feathers are attached to the wings. They are strong but flexible. They help to lift the bird in the air. They are flat and long feathers. So flight feathers are attached to the wings. They are strong but flexible. They help to lift the bird in the air. They are flat and long feathers. Next है बेटा tail feathers. Next है tail feathers. Tail feathers are used for stringing and breaking. Some male birds have long or bright colored tail feathers. So बेटा ये हमारे थे features of birds. Next है बेटा हमारे पास सीधी स्ट्रक्चर बेटा. अभी हम लोग इसके ना जो नेम दिए वो राइट करेंगे. ओके. First of all beak. Second claws, eyes, fins, tail. So बेटा इसको आपने ना बुक पे राइट करना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट है बेटा ईटिंग हैबिट्स. हमारे पास ईटिंग हैबिट्स हैं. देखो फर्स्ट है birds spend most of the time looking for food as it provides them with energy for flying. First है sparrows. Sparrows and manas eat insects. See this picture beta. First picture, sparrows and manas eat insects. So next है बेटा eagles, vultures and hawks eat flesh of other animals. So next है बेटा pigeons and hummingbirds. Birds eat plants. So next है बेटा 4 number picture. See this picture. Parrots eat seeds and fruits. So बेटा ये आपने देख लिया. अभी हमारे पास नेक्स्ट है crow. Crows, ostriches and emus eat both plants and flesh. Some birds eat nuts and grains too. So next page beta. The shape of the beaks of the birds depends upon the kind of food they eat. They do not have teeth to chew their food. So beta अब हम लोग इसकी देखते हैं ईटिंग हैबिट. फूड गेन ईटिंग जो गेन करते हैं इसकी बीक कैसी होती है. स्मॉल एंड पॉइंटेड बीक. एग्जांपल hen and squirrel. ओके. नेक्स्ट है फिश ईटिंग बर्ड. लॉन्ग एंड पॉइंटेड बीक्स. एग्जांपल किंगफिशर, क्रेन. सो नेक्स्ट है बेटा सीड्स एंड नट्स ईटिंग बर्ड्स. शॉर्ट वाइड hooked beak to crack the seeds and nuts. Example, see this picture beta, parrot. Okay. Next है बेटा flesh eating birds. Strong hooked beaks to tear flesh. Example, owl, kite. So बेटा आज हम ये चैप्टर नंबर 765 पेज तक कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके. गुड बाय.